We'll hear good enough to compete this year, absolutely. On the defensive side of the ball, everything's basically built around the talent or the skill set of the players. We don't come in with a pre-designed scheme, so to speak, because to me, to try to fit a square peg in a round hole doesn't work.
What we've had to do this spring is really do a good job evaluating our talent. I think we've got some good talent, some kids that can do a lot of different things, but we've got some kids that are limited in doing certain things. So we've had to, take some things out, add some things. But for the most part, we've been able to do kind of what we set out to do when we came in.
Anytime you take over a program that hasn't won, you have to change the culture and the mentality, and Willie will be able to do that. To be honest with you, it's how quick the players adapt to that is going to change whether we can win immediately or not. And I think as long as they buy into what we're preaching and what we're doing, we can win immediately. There is talent here. There are some holes that we have to fill due to graduation, due to whatever, changing systems, different things like that naturally occur when you take over a program. But there's no question in my mind that we have the potential to be able to do that and take over and win now.
I think we're an athletic team. I think we've got team speed. There's a lot of little things, but until we get through spring ball and get to evaluate them working together, that's the biggest, I think, stepping stone for us to see how they gel.
Are our kids motivated enough to win on Saturdays? Right now they're working hard. Right now they're showing the motivation to win. But we've got to be able to win on Saturdays. You can't be great Monday through Friday and then get to Saturday and then all of a sudden you're not playing well. We're getting their minds and their bodies ready for the rigors of what this season is going to bring. And once that happened, they all started to buy in, they all started to work, and when we got to finish with the chase, they were like, "Coach, this was awesome. We needed this."